On Monday, April 7th, 2025, a group of Nigerians protested in the big city like Abuja, Lagos, and Port Harcourt. They were part of a group called the Take It Back movement. The protesters were upset about how the country is being run and said they are tired of bad leadership. They marched through the streets, chanting, "We are hungry. What are we saying?" The protest happened on the same day the police were celebrating National Police Day at the Eagle Square in Abuja. Even though the police warned people not to protest, the group still went ahead with it. Leaders like Omoyele Sowore and lawyer Deji Adeyanju led the protest in Abuja. The police tried to stop them, but they refused to leave. In Lagos, people held signs in Ikeja to show their anger. In Port Harcourt, Rivers State, protesters met at Isaac Borough Park, but police used tear gas to break them up before they could start. One of the leaders in Rivers, Amaye King Amayu, said they would not give up. He said the protest was against unfair government policies and to support the elected governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara. The police said the protest was planned to make them look bad. They asked the protesters to talk with the government instead of marching on the streets. Still, many people across Nigeria are calling for changes, saying life is getting harder. Some believe the protest is the start of a bigger movement to demand better leadership and a better life for all Nigerians.
Cybercrime Act to repress free speech. In Rivers State, the government of Tinubu has imposed military rule. The government of Tinubu suspended the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The government of Tinubu went rogue against the Nigerian people.
You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.